chips and then heated with chemicals until the wood fibres start to break down.
And once the resins have been removed, the fibres are bleached, dried and turned into bales.
And why are we telling you about pulp? Because it's time to see how paper is made. These 250-kilogram bales of pulp are loaded onto a giant escalator and carried up and dropped into a huge pulping machine filled with 25 tons of water. They get sloshed around and mixed up for 20 minutes, and the fibres separate from each other and turn into a liquid. Hard to think you could be writing on this in less than an hour. The pulp makes its way through this machine, which vibrates more water through it to remove any bits of stone and dirt that have been picked up along the way. The squeaky clean pulp then gets sprayed evenly over this special conveyor belt, which is porous and acts as a filter. The water drains off and a fibre sheet starts to form. As the pulp travels along, a vacuum sucks out even more water, and eventually the wet sheet of pulp turns into a solid sheet of paper. As it passes through this big roller, a watermark gets imprinted onto the sheet. This is a mark of quality and is often the brand name of the paper. A series of steam-heated cylinders evaporate any remaining moisture into thin air, and then, strangely, the dry paper gets wet again under a coat of starch, which seals the surface of the sheet and improves the quality of the paper even more. Then it's back to the dryers before finally getting rolled up on a giant cotton reel. These can hold as much as 14,000 metres of paper and weigh about 7.5 tons. One reel will make up 600,000 sheets of A4-sized paper. Even though we're in the age of computers and email, there's more paper than ever being produced today.